Everyone, welcome back to your own channel, Study with Alka Kantwal. I'm Alka Kantwal, and the channel is an educational channel wherein we talk about competitive exams और उसमें क्या क्या आता है उसके बारे में जाके प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट करो. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस के बारे में एक playlist चाहिए which is very important in all the competitive exam, go and check out. If you are preparing for PGT, TGT, computer science, or if you are preparing for court based exam जहाँ पे English का descriptive paper and all, there are lots of playlists already created. And if you are a grade 12, 11 computer science student, so definitely go and check out the playlist, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe it to your friends, let them know about the channel, and keep motivating. So let us get started with today's session. जो आज का सेशन है that is on जो अभी recently अब हमारा बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, especially NVS non teaching, and then we are having this thing, the Supreme Court vacancy wherein you need to qualify. The computer section is mandatory कि उस वाले सेक्शन में तो आप लोगों को क्वालिफाई करना ही है. So that is why abhi jo days hai, in the upcoming days also there will be last minute revisions coming up on computer, which is very important, so that you can score full in this particular section. So let us get started. What do you all say? So here we start with today's session. So just note down all the important points, because all the points are very important. So let us get started. The name of the channel is Study with Alka Kantwal. Go like, share, and just press the bell notification so that you get the update as and when the new sessions are updated. Okay, so here we go. And the other thing, if you are preparing for GATE also, उसके लिए भी computer science के लिए I will be preparing sessions. As I've already cleared the GATE exam for computer science, तो फिर उसके लिए भी जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, डू लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. अगर आपको उसके लिए सेशंस चाहिए टॉपिक वाइज, डेफिनेटली आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू फॉर दैट पार्ट एज वेल. So let us get started. What is the shortcut to perform the paste operation? So just write it down. The answer to this question is, for paste, what do we do? I hope most of you know. So the answer to this question is Control V. So Control V is for paste operation. So you can write a list of important operation and their shortcut. If you want to open a document, what is the shortcut for it? What is the shortcut? Control plus O. Is it fine? And then if you want to create a new document, then we are having Control plus N. Is it fine? If you want to save the document, Control plus CTRL plus S. Close, if you want to close a document, so the shortcut is Control plus W. All these shortcuts are important for your exam purpose. Okay, so if you are doing cut operation, Control plus X. If you are doing paste, you already know. If you are doing copy, Control plus C. If you want to go for select all the document, all the content together, select, go for Control plus A. Okay, bold के लिए Control plus B. Italic is Control plus I. Underline is Control plus U. Again, there is, if you want to decrease the font size, so we go with by 1 point. Okay, 1 point से decrease करना है, तो control plus this one. Okay, if you want to increase the font size by 1 point, increase, then we will be having Control plus this. Okay, so these are important shortcuts. And undo is obviously, tell me, Control plus Z. Redo is Control plus Y. Okay, so this is, you can just note it down. Is it fine? Moving ahead. Are we ready to move ahead? आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं आगे क्या है. आगे है हमारा next question. Okay, sorry. So, okay, here we go. Devices such as monitors and then printers, which is connected to the computers. These devices are known as the peripheral devices. These devices are known as the peripheral devices. Okay, this is the answer to the question. So yes, that is the answer. So let us move ahead and let us see what is there in the store for us. IP version, what they are asking, what is the size of IP version address? 4. ठीक है, IP version 4 they are asking, what is the size of this IP version 4? So do remember that it is 32 bits. Okay, remember it is bits. And if it is given in byte, then it will be equal to 4 bytes. अगर क्वेश्चन में बाइट्स में दिया होता तो 4 बाइट होता, इधर बिट्स दिया है क्योंकि 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू 8 बिट्स होता है, तो फिर हमारा 4 बाइट कितना होगा, 32 बिट्स। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमको 16 बाइट बोला है, इट इज नॉट द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन इफ इन द ऑप्शन इट वुड हैव बीन गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बिट्स, तो होता 4, ठीक है, 4 bytes and 4 into 8 that is 32 bits. Okay, if it comes IP version 6, ठीक है, दिस इज द क्लासलेस एड्रेसिंग मोड ऑफ आईपी एड्रेस। आईपी वर्जन 6 अगर होता तो तब याद रखना 16 बाइट्स और वी कैन से 128 बिट्स, so remember the size. Okay, so this is another point which you all need to remember, so just keep a note of it. Okay, 1 megabyte, again that is again an important question. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. Is it fine? So you need to just note 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes हो जाता है, ठीक है, किलोबाइट के 1 मेगाबाइट, 1 मेगाबाइट क्या हो जाएगा 1024 किलोबाइट, 1 गीगाबाइट क्या हो जाएगा 1024 MB. सो जस्ट रिमेम्बर हाउ दे आर रिलेटेड ना, फिर गीगाबाइट के बाद टेराबाइट आ जाएगा, 1 टेराबाइट इज इक्वल टू 1024 GB. And then we have petabyte. Petabyte will become equal to 1024 TB. And similarly, exabyte and then peta, exa, ठीक है, one exabyte and then one zotabyte and then one yottabyte. So ऐसे related है, 1024 PB, 1024 EB. This way you have to remember the sequence. Okay, that is again important. Now we move ahead and let us see what is there. Okay, what is the shortcut to perform the paste? So we have done, no? ऊपर चला गया, just hold on. Okay, paste so we have done. This we have done, this we have done, this we have done. Shortcut to create subscript. सबस्क्रिप्ट मतलब जैसे हमने x, जैसे मैंने x यहाँ पे या CO2 लिखा, सबस्क्रिप्ट नीचे करना है मुझको, टाइप कर रही हूँ वर्ड में, शॉर्टकट क्या होगा, कंट्रोल प्लस इक्वल, दैट विल बी द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट टू क्रिएट द सबस्क्रिप्ट इन वर्ड. इज इट फाइन? मूविंग अहेड. Alt plus Shift plus D. If you want to insert the current date, then we use the Alt plus Shift plus D. Okay. Now, which of the following is the soft copy? If you want to see a soft copy, obviously the output device for it is monitor. The answer will be monitor. Daisy wheel printer, it is an impact printer. Plotter is an output device. और laser, तो laser technology use करके print निकालता है. For this, the answer is monitor. Father of internet, who is known as the father of internet? Tell me. Father of internet is Vint Cerf. Okay, so do remember the name of the person. Okay, Vint Cerf. Moving ahead, let us see the next question. Which of the following is not a function of OS? OS मतलब operating system. मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का फंक्शन होता है, प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का होता है, फाइल मैनेजमेंट भी होता है, बस डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन नहीं होता है. इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. इज इट फाइन? Not a function. Moving ahead. Wi-Fi. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Fidelity. और फिर एक और टर्म आता है WiMAX, worldwide. Just write it down, okay? Worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Okay, microwave access. ठीक है. और जनरल टर्म्स लाइक टीसीपी का फुल फॉर्म क्या हो गया, ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, आईपी क्या हो गया, इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल, एमआईसीआर क्या हो गया, मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन, एमआईसीआर मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन, सीआरटी क्या हो गया, कैथोड रे ट्यूब, पीएएन क्या हो गया, पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क, एमएएन क्या हो गया, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क, SMTP क्या हो गया, सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. So these are the simple terms which we need to remember and they are very important from the exam point of view. Which of the following is not a first generation computer? तो यूनिवैक तो है फर्स्ट जनरेशन का, ये भी फर्स्ट IBM 70 भी है, इनियाक भी है, एंड PDP-11 is not a first generation, it is a second generation computer and it uses transistor. And जो first generation computers थे, they use vacuum tube. So this three comes under the category of first generation. PDP-11 हमारा ट्रांजिस्टर्स यूज करता था, सेकेंड जनरेशन का है. ओके, डिफॉल्ट पोर्ट नंबर फॉर HTTP is 80 and for HTTPS they might ask you, so the port number for HTTPS is 443. So that is the answer. And moving ahead, what do we see moving ahead? CCTV, closed circuit television. CCTV, closed circuit television, that is the full form of CCTV. And any other thing which I wanted to tell you? Yes, that is it for this. अब आगे देखते हैं, what is the next question? Just hold on. USB, universal serial bus. USB मतलब universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. And URL, uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator. So the रिसोर्स लोकेटर, ठीक है, रिसोर्स लोकेटर. अब जिस भी प्लेलिस्ट में मैं ये डाल रही हूँ ना, उसमें बहुत सारे सेशंस है कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड. अगर you check out all the videos from that particular playlist, but definitely there is no scope कि आप लोगों का कंप्यूटर सेक्शन में फुल मार्क्स ना आए, because everything has been discussed in detail. When we talk about CD-ROM, it is an optical disk. What kind of disk it is? It is an optical disk. So the answer to this question is option A. Now we move ahead. Transistor belongs to the second generation. Second generation में transistors हैं. First में vacuum tubes, already discussed, vacuum tubes, and then we come to third generation, wherein we are talking about IC, integrated circuit. Fourth generation, we talk about the microprocessors. Is it fine? And fifth is definitely the AI, artificial intelligence. So that is the answer to this question. तो वो याद कर लेना. अभी तो इसमें second पूछा है, वहां पे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. So dash is a type of fraud where a small electronic device is used to steal the debit or credit information during an authorized banking transaction. So that particular type of fraud is known as skimming, where a small electronic device is used to steal the debit and credit card information. So ये है हमारा skimming. Okay. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Microsoft Word? It is 500. So yes, that is the answer. Check out bhi kar lena. So that is the answer to this question. And here we go. Which of the following is not an open source? तो Android तो open source है, Linux भी है, Windows नहीं है, ठीक है. और एक याद रखना, LAMP, Linux, ठीक है, Linux and Android और Apache, ठीक है, MySQL, PHP, Python, ये सारे एग्जाम्पल हैं ओपन सोर्स के. ये सारे ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर हैं, ठीक है. सो लैम्प याद रखना. And definitely Windows is not an open source, it's a proprietary software. So that is it for today's session. So yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. अभी आगे आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे सेशंस आने वाले हैं, तो definitely it will be helpful for you all. That is why don't forget to click on that bell icon also, so that you get updated about the videos which are being posted. So all of you stay tuned and God bless. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye, everyone.